Mabuhay, diecast enthusiast! Today, we're going to unwrap this new parcel through Shopee. I acquired this item through one of their features, which is Shopee SPayLater. Remember guys to sanitize your parcel upon receiving it because even nowadays, COVID-19 is still spreading. Let's take a look on how this item was packaged. As we can see, it is very sealed, safely sealed. Now, let's cut through here. Remember children, when using sharp edges, you should have a guidance from an adult. This will also secure your item from any kind of damages. Take a look. Inside its regular Shopee Express package, it is also bubble wrapped. Let's open on this side. Let's cut through here. Yeah. Okay. And this one. As you can see, the seller packaged our item very safe. Take a peek guys. Can you see what car brand it is by its logo? Obviously, if you always watch my videos, you will know what brand this diecast is. Let's carefully open here so that we can easily take the item out. It is also bordered by a carton. So let's cut through here. Oops, wait. I think we touched the item. Oh no, safe. Wait. Oh, here. Let's cut through here. Yeah. Are you ready, guys? Let's all see what car is in the inside. Voila. You can obviously see that this is car number 363, and a diecast lover knew what brand is this. It's a Mini GT. Let's cut through here also so that we can safely take out our item. Mini GT. Now let's push through here. Are you ready to see the actual car inside? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! This is the all new latest release from Mini GT. This is the Aventador SVJ Roadster in Oro Ilios scheme, or in English, Oro Ilios is gold, fiery gold. Okay, let's take a look at the box. This is the front side of the box, indicated the brand Mini GT and the car model, which is Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster, and its color scheme, which is Oro Ilios. The other side, which is as we can see, it is a warning statement from the brand. On the back, stating that it is a TSM model family, and with the sealed certified by the Lamborghini brand and TSM model brand, and the licensure certificate from the brand. Let's check the car inside. Let's open on this side. Wait. Let's cut here. Let's cut also here. Okay. Are you excited, guys? Oh. Take a peek. Let's take it outside. Let's take this outside. You know, there are rumors that Mini GT didn't get the actual Oro Ilios scheme from Lamborghini, but I hope not. And this is the wow. Wait. I'm speechless. Rumors aren't true. Wow. She is gold Oro Ilios. Let's put the trash outside of the frame. Wow. Okay guys, this is Mini GT's Lamborghini Aventador SBJ Roadster in Oro Ilios. Let's see how it looks like with a flash. Wow! Okay guys, unboxing is done. Bye!